Today, we're diving into a handy Google Sheets feature, referencing data from one sheet to another. Whether you're consolidating information or creating complex calculations, cross-sheet references are your secret weapon. Let's explore how to do it. Step 1. Open your Google Sheets document. If you're working with an existing sheet, great. If not, create a new one by clicking the colorful icon labeled blank or choose from a template. Step 2. Let's say you have two sheets, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. In Sheet 2, you want to reference data from Sheet 1. Step 3. Go to the cell in Sheet 2 where you want the reference data to appear. Step 4. Type an equals sign to start a formula. Now, switch to Sheet 1 by clicking on its tab at the bottom. Step 5. Click on the cell in Sheet 1 that contains the data you want to reference. You'll notice that the formula in Sheet 2 now includes the sheet name and cell reference, like this, equals Sheet 1, A1. Step 6. Press Enter, and voila! The data from Sheet 1 is now displayed in Sheet 2. Step 7. Want to reference an entire range? Use the colon to specify a range of cells. For example, equals Sheet 1, A1, B10 will pull data from cells A1 to B10 in Sheet 1. Congratulations! You've just mastered cross-sheet referencing in Google Sheets. Now go forth and build powerful spreadsheets.